So Teams is for communicating with teams. And if you want to communicate privately, then you can go to chat on the left side, as you can see, which is more for private conversations. So to work around with chat, you can go around and then click on new chat right here. And then once you go around onto new chat, this is what you have. So you need to go around and type in name or email address of the person you want to have private chat with. So I'm just going to go around and type in TutorTube right here, and you can see the guests right here, as you can see. So there's TutorTube 2 and TutorTube right here. So you can select the person that you want to communicate with, and then you can see that now there's this private window right here which you can communicate with. You can press enter and the message will be sent to that particular person. And then what happens is that they will be notified and they can communicate back to you. So if other user were to actually reply back, then you will get this notification from them, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can chat privately with specific people by using the chat option inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.